Time is 11:50. The grill power's down. Brisket is in the cooler. I'm going to clean this thing again before I put ribs on because I don't want it to shut down again for me. But I already semi-scraped these. I'm gonna scrape all these flavorizer bars down. Scrape the box down. And then wipe them clean. I don't understand why I need to do this, because this shouldn't be an issue to cook on your cooker without having to clean it halfway through. I understand the 20-hour cook's pretty long and cleaning things are just a part of life. But I'm used to letting the charcoal clean it for me. But this video is just going to be me cleaning this grill. If you don't want to see that, I wouldn't watch that one anymore. But all I had on that brisket was salt, pepper, garlic powder. No sugars or anything. Pretty long cook. Tell you what, the inside of this grill does not look like it came out of the box like anymore. It's pretty grimy. Some will call it well seasoned, but I don't know how much I'm supposed to clean of this. It's like looks like gold to me, but I guess it doesn't like it. I don't know if you can see this or not, but there is a film in here. I don't know if I checked the grease tray earlier on video, but I checked it earlier. It's pretty full down there. So prime brisket. This was pretty fatty. I trimmed it pretty aggressively as well. Try to leave some fat on the flat to help save it, but you know how that goes. didn't look good, so I trimmed some of it off. I was going to leave all of it, but again, this is about 6 hours from the last cleaning that you saw on here. I don't know, I'm not used to having to clean my grill like this. This little scraper deal was pretty nice for them to include. I wouldn't have had anything like this to use. I don't know if this is paint coming off or what, but it's stainless looking. I don't remember if that was stainless before or not. And now it's just built up, but wipe it all down. I think should be good enough. Show you the drip tray. I haven't cleaned this since the start of the 20 hours. Or actually, I emptied out the tray, the drip tray, but this box is what built up. Here's the grease tray. It's about halfway full on 6 hours. The rest of it's in here. I guess I'm gonna waste this tray. Clean this out. yeah, I'm just gonna put this back together and fire her back up for these ribs.